If you want to make 6 figures, stop trying to focus on making more money and do this instead. If your sole focus every day is to chase money, it's a great thing, but it's only great if there's an actual goal or well-defined target and a vehicle to get you there. Otherwise, like, what actually you're chasing, right? So not to mention it's counterproductive and leading to frustration. So here's what I mean. So 2 individuals went to a same high school. One that's a dreamer, constantly talking about owning a fancy house, a supercar, traveling all over the world in the next couple of years with his management position in retail. While the other guy picked straight out of school a high-paying job in tech, project management, and in 4 years acquire multiple real estate properties that individual one won't get to probably in his lifetime. So as you can see, by shifting your focus towards a high-paying skill in demand is a faster, better, and more efficient vehicle to not just making more money, but building wealth for your future and generations to come. So stop chasing money, chase a high-paying opportunity.